How to add delivery notes for drivers on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add delivery notes for your Uber Eats driver, which is perfect if you want your food to be delivered to a specific location like your gate, porch, or apartment door. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can start your order by selecting the restaurant and after that adding the item that you want to your cart. And here once you're done, you can just tap on view card and after that you can just go to the checkout to move to the delivery and payment screen. Now here, look for delivery instruction under your delivery address and tap on it. And here you can choose how you'd like to receive your order, like leave at door, meet at door, or meet outside. And below that, you'll see a field to add delivery notes. So here, type in anything to your driver that he should know, like leave at back door, call when outside, or use side entrance near garage. And here once you have entered your node, just tap on save and you'll go back to the checkout screen, and from there you just need to tap on place order and you are good to go. After that, your driver will see the note during delivery, so be clear and specific to make sure that your food arrives exactly how you want it. And that's it. That's how you can add delivery notes for your Uber Eats driver. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.